Fresh chilies mark the beginning of the journey.
Harvested peppers move immediately toward processing. Speed preserves freshness from the very start. Distance is short, efficiency is critical.
The factory receives its raw heat.
Processing begins the moment chilies touch steel.
Only quality passes the first gate.
Dirt and dust are stripped away completely.
Mechanical motion ensures deep cleaning.
Technology refines what humans began.
Preparation sharpens consistency.
Heat transforms into texture.
Raw peppers become concentrated power.
Flavor develops under controlled heat. Balance defines the final bite.